Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining. More about AI as a channel is devoted to it. I appreciate you being here. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about a team that builds the first living robots, basically, an AI designed xenobots with an entirely new form of biological self replication. These computer designed and hand assembled organisms can swim around, find other single cells, gather hundreds of them together, and assemble baby xenobots inside their Pac Man shaped mouth that become new xenobots that look and move just like themselves. Then these new xenobots go out and do the same thing over and over. So, I will show you a video of these xenobots doing that at the end of all this. So, stay tuned. It's a neat little video. It shows you the Pac Man thing going around doing that. Now, in earlier experiments, the scientists were amazed that xenobots could be designed to achieve even simple tasks. Okay. Now they're stunned that these biological objects, a computer designed collection of cells, will spontaneously replicate. Now, I point out the words amazed and stunned because I like to hear that the scientists are being honest and saying, oh my God, we didn't expect that. And if you saw Jurassic Park, you may remember that one actor saying, nature will find a way. And of course, nature did find a way, went out and gobbled up some people and such. But back to the article. In this frog species they used here for this project, these embryonic cells would develop into skin. All right. Well, of course, they would do that. These cells would be sitting on the outside of a tadpole, keeping out pathogens and redistributing mucus, basically keeping the skin healthy. That's what they're supposed to do. Says Michael Levine, PhD and co leader of the new research. He states, we're giving them, meaning those cells, a chance to reimagine their multicellularity. Hmm. And what the cells imagine is something far different than skin. That's his way of saying this. The cells have the genome of a frog, but freed from becoming tadpoles, they use their collective intelligence and placidity to do something astounding. Now, these biological objects, again, a computer designed collection of cells, will spontaneously replicate. No other animal or plant known to science replicates in this way, says Sam Kriegman, PhD. Now, just as my own thought here, if you don't mind, Keith, stay with me. As mind bending as this is, if you love this, then wow, wonderful. This is fantastic. Science is marching on, and it will, and it has to. If you do not, then could almost come across as being a sort of condescending scientific brainwashing trying to lead my thoughts. Because for me, being a skin cell is astounding already. Saying the cell is freed and imagining, these cells are not imagining and are not freed. Seems more like programmed and caged. Look, I love science, I really do, but I detest mental manipulation. I don't appreciate it. So I love the article. I just don't like the training of the thought process. Anyway, back to the article. It says some people may find this exhilarating, others may react with concern, they better, or even terror. Yeah, that's kind of extreme, to the notion of self replicating biotechnology. For the team of scientists, the goal is deeper understanding. Quote, we are working to understand this property, replication. The world and technologies are rapidly changing, they say. It's important for society as a whole that we study and understand how this works, says Bongard. He states, we have a moral imperative to understand the conditions under which we can control it, direct it, douse it, and exaggerate it. Now, I think that gives you a little bit of a peek into what they're really thinking, and I appreciate them at least saying that. I'm going to toss in a link to the video, see if we can get it on here. Hope you enjoyed today's information. Subscribing and liking will free me to imagine even more. Anyway, please have a meaningful day. I appreciate you being here. Let's see if we can get this going here. Video. They've discovered a new one, Xenobots 3.0. Here they're eating all the cells and build computer designed Xenobots. I hope this remains as controlled as they say it should be. Have a good day.